The three most popular dishes at a Thai restaurant are Pad Thai, the rice noodle dish, Tom Kha Gai, that chicken soup with coconut milk and lemongrass, and Panang Beef Curry. Today, Elle is here to give Panang Beef Curry a test kitchen treatment.
That's right. Savory Thai curries are often categorized by the paste that gives them flavor and thickness. So we have green and hot, we have yellow and sweet, and then we have Panang, which is a sweeter version of red curry. It's my favorite.
I'm in.
Great. So we have here 2 pounds of beef. In the test kitchen, we tried this recipe with chuck roast, beef shank, and brisket. And at the end of the day, we found that boneless short rib was the way to go. Keeping with tradition, I'm gonna cut this piece into 3 equal parts. And then we're going to cut it 1/4 inch against the grain.
And when cutting meat this thinly, it helps if the meat's very cold. That way it's easier to slice through.
Okay, so I'm gonna add this to a large saucepan and cover it with water. The key to getting the desired tenderness that's necessary for this dish is first bringing it to a boil. I'm gonna put it on high and let it reach a boil. Once it has, I'll cover it, turn it down to low, and let it cook for 1 hour to 1 1/4 hours. All right, so our beef's been simmering for over an hour. I think it's ready.
Ooh, it smells beefy.
It does smell beefy. So I'm gonna just do a check. You'll know that it's ready when it's fork tender.
Well, look at that, the fork just slides right in.
Right through.
And so this simmering not only made the beef tender, but it also actually mellowed out the flavor of the beef.
The tempering of the beef is super important because in this dish, the beef should accentuate the curry, not the other way around. All right, so in the pan, we have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and we have 2 tablespoons of red curry paste.
Now, a lot of recipes I know start with coconut milk in the pan, and they cook that coconut milk down until it cracks and all the fat comes out. But we're not doing that here.
No, we found that vegetable oil gives us the most consistent results, and we're very happy with that. We're gonna just let this cook for about 5 to 8 minutes, and we'll know that it's ready when it starts to turn dark red, and you'll start smelling a nice peppery aroma.
All right.
Okay, so this has been cooking for about 8 minutes. As you can see, it's dark and red. It looks quite different than it did when we started. To that, we're gonna add 1 can of coconut milk and just kind of give it a stir to break it up.
Oh man, that's starting to look good.
To this, I'm gonna add 4 teaspoons of fish sauce and 2 teaspoons of sugar. The fish sauce and the sugar gives that amazing salt and sweet flavor that is very signature in Thai food. I'm also gonna add a Thai chili pepper, which I've halved, and this is optional. And I'm also opting in for 2 more tablespoons of red curry paste because I definitely have a desire for fire.
Those are some of my favorite flavors.
I like where it's going.
Coconut milk and the spice.
All right, so we're just gonna make sure that we get that sugar dissolved in the mixture. So just kind of make sure it doesn't feel gritty on the bottom of the pan. I'm finally going to add this nice tender beef that we let cook for 1 hour.
Starting to take shape.
Yes. Make sure all the pieces of meat get covered. We just have to let it simmer until it's thickened and reduced by half. All right, so this has been simmering for 12 to 15 minutes.
It smells amazing.
So to finish it off, I have here 6 kaffir lime leaves that I've taken the vein out of and sliced thinly. And I'm gonna just let these cook for about 1 to 2 minutes.
All right. So kaffir lime leaves, also known as makru lime leaves, infuse a unique tangy floral flavor to traditional Southeast Asian dishes. Now, unlike a bay leaf, which they look like, you can actually eat them. And now these leaves are readily available in Asian markets and they freeze well, but if you can't find them, a combination of lemon zest and lime zest will approximate their flavor.
All right, so we've given the kaffir lime leaves a couple minutes. I think they have kicked our dish up like a whole bunch of notches.
It smells amazing.
It does, and
Is it
it's
eating
ready.
time?
Yeah, it's time to eat. Let me just serve it up.
That sauce is so pretty and creamy.
And you can still smell that good spiciness of the red curry paste. I'm just going to add these chopped peanuts. It's the 3rd cup. You've been so gracious. I'm going to serve you.
I've been quite patient because this smells so good.
Oh, that looks delicious.
You know, it tastes even better than it smells.
I was a little skeptical about the kaffir lime leaves at first because we don't eat bay leaves, but this delicious citrusy flavor that it adds, it kind of cuts the heat a little bit.
You know, as you mentioned earlier, the beef isn't supposed to have a huge presence here. It's supposed to be beefy, but it's really all about that sauce.
It is. I'm so glad I can make this at home now.
To make this flavor-packed Thai classic, start by simmering slices of boneless beef short ribs in water. Fry Thai red curry paste in a little oil, stir in coconut milk, fish sauce, sugar, and fresh chili. Finish with kaffir lime leaves and peanuts, and there you have it. From our test kitchen to your kitchen, perfect Panang Beef Curry. You can get this recipe and all the recipes from this season, along with our tastings, testings, and select episodes at our website, americastestkitchen.com. Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.